Na ohun ya de
na me adumo.
Bibia you okay wa hu. Ya kan say ba ko na da won mundum no mfa ma me why tilo ba ko na da won mundum no mfa ma me na me say feedback de ba nti mundum no mfa ma me mu na ho mfa ba me aha sisi ade me so are you okay govi ma me say o de ni yoka
be fine
aha sisi ade bibia you okay anka yes anka obetia ne say tilo nsem ni nyina da abontinti yanya ba and now UEFA Champions League final a big game at the ma two teams dey nyina essence will be at me writing history PSG I won the second year to write own history last year this season eso akofan Arsenal dey san say since say Arsenal be make history surfing na UEFA Champions League Kofi mayentie we na boys be Kofi kese ma de na eso omoye ansa no matimi akọ efficacy
the Champions League as we know it obviously the biggest club competition in Europe. Now because of that say who the Champions League in Komona there is that mindset perception and thought say there are certain clubs that they are better at the Champions League. So who the crana say you be say you the Champions League in Komona which teams are we talking about You are essentially talking about the AC Milans, you are talking about the Bayerns, you are talking about the Madrid, you are talking about the Barcelonas, Liverpool, even to the extent that you can go to Manchester United, those who are close to those numbers now. In terms of those who have won the Champions League on multiple occasions, not just twice, but then more than twice now. Those are the real guys. And for Obiti said Madrid, no, a top team in that. But somewhere in 2021, Chelsea and Manchester City boy, those were two clubs that na bakunje na bakwaje bako. We saw Chelsea winning it the second time on Man City that had not won it before. We are also going to have a final again in 2026. Ayeba binya two clubs bakwaje bako njibida. I'm not saying say Chelsea the enemy repeat it, but what I'm trying to say is that we are also getting the smaller clubs in Europe, now able to begin to compete and get to the top in the contest of the Champions League. It's your analyst. In your analysis of the situations and games, say Madrid the bar in your mind, Madrid and Kwade they will go to the final. Barcelona and Kwade will go to the final. There is a new wind blowing, a new school wind for the Arsenals, for the Manchester Cities. And if you look at it, since Josep Guardiola went to Manchester City, in the latter stages, no one more Champions League anymore. Manchester City, Paris Saint-Germain and Luis Enrique, they've come closer. First, now quarter final. Now they are beginning to get close. They won it last year. They are in the final again. Arsenal in their history, they've been to the final before. Barcelona and Genoa, they were almost always the nearly men. Almost in the Champions League. Now they've come to the quarter final against Paris Saint-Germain, semi-final against Paris Saint-Germain last season, who were the eventual winners, and this season they're in the final. Mind you, in the lead up to that semi-final berth, Arsenal for the met a category in Real Madrid, home and away. In fact, Emirates, Echo Santiago Bernabeu, when Madrid made a lot of noise, say they will cover the Arsenal for 90 minutes at the Santiago Bernabeu. It's a long time. They used the young boys again. Miles Lewis Kelly stood on the Santiago Bernabeu theft and then reminded them, say, yes, they are older people who may have done the job in a long time. But there's a time where there's a new wind of top people that know their stuff from here, man. And that is it with Arsenal. Any Paris Saint-Germain will almost go into the final. Daniel Stuyben, I don't know. Oh, share referees now. This season, I think so. There are some people in Europe that have questions about Stuyben. But I think that he has done a very good job, the German, to be the referee in Obedience Fiifi with the Champions League final.
Minyina no so na yan welcome yenuanom kranfo no embra show you so pacho utie ye ewo Accra Asempa 947 eso ni insure 1045 FM eso ntino ye two combo insure ene Asempa ana utie ene anopa UEFA Champions League ana ye preview ansa na ene nwumre no nan no etimi aba so minim se nkran Repio Jesse no eba so dendende ana Kumasi anso no Repio Jesse no SG Mall and yɛde ɛyɛ ɛno nso ɛba. It's all about UEFA Champions League final. Now yɛkɔ tactical board no so.
Gab Unze, I like this front page of AS Darius. And Darius has said something. And there was a confirmation of Abrante and Anthony Gordon as a Barcelona player. But then the bigger page, AS Darius and Mono, is this. And that is the next step of the analysis. AS Darius says this in Spanish. I'll try to make of course, I'm not good at speaking Spanish, but in Spanish makes a lot of sense. I'm going to say una final made in Spain. It is because of the two managers that are in the dugouts. Mikel Arteta and Luis Enrique. Spanish, born, bred, grown, and everything almost here just encompasses everything Spain and its football success in recent times. Now, Gabi, if you look at the context of European football, the Europa League was won by Unai Simon. Unai Simon, a Basque boy from that part of Spain. Unai Emery,
yeah.
Basque person from that part of Spain, managed to come and win the Europa League. Then when you go into the final of the Conference League that was won by Oliver Glasner, the coach of Real Vallecano see a Basque person, the Spaniard. Then the two Champions League coaches are all also Spanish. For Mikel Arteta, also a Basque person.
There's something.
Oh yeah, and for me, Enka, if the title was won by Vallecano, I could have gone towards a conclusion, say this is the year of the Basque people.
Yeah.
The people from that part of Spain and your time. But of course, the Vallecano coach could not get it. It is back on Mikel Arteta. And when you talk about the two managers, I think it is the very story that life tells us. And if you read a detail of what Marca talks about, Marca talks about the two coaches and their journey. And I walk you through it. Gab, people only remember you when you are successful. In conform Kai, the things you go through and the processes. In fact, as media men and whatever, Anna, that is not usually the focus because they're flashy. But the story of Luis Enrique, people forget that he went to Italy to coach. He was not successful. Luis Enrique was in and around Spain, not as successful. In fact, there are times in the Spanish national team, after saying Luis Enrique Babani free, he thought of quitting coaching. Then decided to reinvent himself after the last days of Messi, Neymar, and the MSN, Messi, Neymar, Suarez, or whatever they had to do in Europe. I felt that Luis Enrique's style of play was beginning to fade off. Went to the Spanish national team, didn't particularly succeed, reinvented himself again, and Paris Saint-Germain. Now look at the kind of football. Paris Saint-Germain per Champions League, they needed somebody. They needed Obia or Tebo Onasi and can build a strong team. And then we'll solve the problem of team culture. There is something that cuts through the both teams. Two teams Nhyira started certain project and success name. They have all struggled in their own way. For us now, they were even struggling to qualify for the Champions League post Arsene Wenger. For Paris Saint-Germain, for France, so they almost enough to win the title. But when they get into Europe where there is a creme de la creme, so much say they are good enough. After spending millions and billions of euros, and adding. So they changed from the Carlo Ancelotti's, Unai Emery's, brought in Mauricio Pochettino, Christophe Galtier, the names Neymar, Messi, what have you. Paris Saint-Germain never really got close to winning the Champions League. It was a quarter-final after quarter-final after quarter-final. And of course, Thomas Tuchel, the almost called final. But then still, it was a boy from their own academy in that game in Kingsley Coman that scored a solitary goal that broke the hearts of Paris Saint-Germain. But they decided to change Kakra. They brought in Luis Campos as a sporting director and Ongoko for Luis Enrique as the coach. But when Luis Enrique came, the very first thing it was the same thing that Abrante friend Mikel Arteta so when it came to Arsenal. They changed one thing, the culture. And I mean, I several times. If you listen to every Paris Saint-Germain player, you listen to Vicha Kvaratskhelia, you listen to Ousmane Dembele, you listen to Desiree Doué, everybody. Asamba Akoromoka said there is discipline. Said Luis Enrique said press, no one press here, you sit on the bench. You change the culture. For them, it wasn't about just star-studded names, but then a team that works for one another. Winning duels, winning matches. No support you to be able to get to the top. That is what he changed to get Paris Saint-Germain to make the next step after what they had missed. It's a similar story at Arsenal. A club that in England basically laughing stock. And it will be said Chelsea for because Chelsea for still wants the autonomy of winning, being the only club in London that watch the Champions League, maybe. And it is because when you look at Mikel Arteta as a coach, he has changed those fortunes for Arsenal. He changed the culture. I will always go back to Granit Xhaka when he was captain. I only Arsenal fans in your issue. The captain's armband the toe for Mikel Arteta stripped him off that captaincy. I'll always go back to when there was Thomas Partey or Honum. But because to an extent they had put the name of the club into disrepute, the likes of Martin Odegaard became captains of the club, and I know Thomas Partey could not get discipline and changing the culture. Having a group where they work for each other regardless of a deal Mukita. It's when you look at both clubs, there is a very good culture around them. Similar trajectory, Spanish coaches, culture change. No real when they face into on the Ontakibi Jabi. No, they all work for each other, and it's a moving machine. And no, in the men next Champions League final on a dance.
Because I say Luis Enrique by PSG say there was a point in time crana you move become you feel I say Udio Budodo. As Obana me man say say we were now I say our dream say one we are now we destabilizing team no.
Yeah.
Not knowing say no pick that strength. Yeah. Our PSG here and no do my bay.
It's about the culture. And Gabi baby so once it's a culture. Now one ma obi and Philly said there's one person that we all follow, which is the coach. And you play in park so you will suffer. Rich this season. Gab, have you realized say Arsenal for captain Martin Odegaard, he has not played enough this season. In the past 2 or 3 seasons where they were close, he was one of their best players. This season, Kai Havertz, who was bought for times like this, has been in and out of the team a plenty. This season, Timber, he has been in and out of the team. But almost every time, they can even count on Noni Madueke. Onye, the best player in the world. But then there is good squad depth to the extent that you catch and say, over here, we work for each other. The fact that one goal doesn't make you a star boy so that you lord over somebody. No. Oba, you work for the Arsenal jersey and then you play for us. And it's about unity. Kepa is a balagamo, they will make mistake. You won't see them scapegoating Kepa alone. They shield Kepa as a team and then move on to the next. Look at Declan Rice, the characters on with team. And it has sent them to the top where they have to go to. It's a similar story to when you go to Paris Saint-Germain for, and L'Equipe puts it nicely. This game is not going to be like what we saw against Bayern. And we'll do the tactical analysis. It's going to be sharply different from the one against Bayern. I like this from Martin Odegaard. And then, according to Star Sport, I said there may be a double ahead. Mikel Arteta also say Paris Saint-Germain are champions and in the stats, I'm not your favorite. But their job is to snatch it away from them. This time, Omoba finally, Omoba be GF from between the two players, and that is exactly what they are going to do. There is an exciting story of the Paris Saint-Germain team, of course, for Luis Enrique. So Luis Enrique to me, we need Champions League where it means that he would have won the Champions League at Paris Saint-Germain twice, and then done it also. When he was at Team Friend Football Club Barcelona, won it also at Team Friend Football Club Barcelona in that regard to be able to do that. Now, the data behind the two squads are very interesting. In the league phase, this is how it looks like. Paris Saint-Germain struggled, and he couldn't qualify through the automatic qualification. So, in that time, about 3-2 against Team Monaco, or we need 5-2 against Chelsea in the run to the final. Eba Liverpool and of course Bayern, and then they got to the final. And now the team of the Paris Saint-Germain players Hakimi, Beraldo, Marquinhos, Zabani, Kvaratskhelia, Fabian Ruiz, Ramos, Dembele, Doué, Vitinha, Lee Can-in, Theo Hernandez, Mayulu, Nuno Mendes, Dro, Bako, Chevalier, Zaire Emery, Safonov, Njatu, Mbaye, Pacho, Neves, any Abrante friend, Renato, Marin are the guys that are traveling to go there. When I get into the tactical side of the game, I think the game will depend on 2 or 3 individuals in this match.
So PSG for Ankasa Diabo. Won't you know?
Almost the same.
Woko London the match say nipa ba akopɛ ano musuro no na no so de omon fa ho ndi omso match say Arsenal for kra obi e we pra kra omso I feel were you okay in the person of Julian Timber?
Yeah, Timber.
When you almost you Vincha Valescalia. One man. Arsenal first run Omo Yahweh.
Almost say Vincha Bar.
Omo Yahweh.
Yeah, for Arsenal's road to the final, Okobo 1-1 against Leverkusen. And I want you to pay attention. In all of Paris Saint-Germain lead up to the final, there are a lot of goals, multiple goals. 3-4, 3-4. And then almost say Liverpool 2-0, home and away. And Bayern the end 1-1. But then in every match, there were multiple scoring. Now, you compare that to sharply against Arsenal. 1-1 against Leverkusen. We 2-0 with you. Then Oshe 1-0 against Sporting. Okobo 0-0 with you. Obo 1-1 against Atletico. We 1-0 with you. Now, it tells you, say what Atletico Madrid Arsenal team now defensively they focus on that a lot. They make it difficult for you to break them down whilst they find that goal or two that keeps them take them to the next step. For Paris Saint-Germain, it's total football all out. It is only in the game against Bayern. You do it, almost share first goal, then they shut up shop and then allow Bayern to play, close the gap and prevented Bayern from getting the goals. Almost share our match him. Which is very, very, very important. Oh, so I'm matching now. Matches a tactical boarding here, so I'll work from here. This is the possible lineup Payati Seba. For Paris Saint-Germain, Safonov has been very good. After some for Lucas Chevalier by he hasn't lived up to expectations.
Yeah.
Then William Pacha has been brilliant. Now the job of William Pacha has been very simple. So we are attacker. Now una ABI almost presso. Now utim never call long to you are. William Pacho's job is simple. Or no, the aggressive center back no. And I've always said, say in center back job, there is the cat and dog profile. But coach is abo ejinamwa in any way their last minute no solve problem no. Kraman the only one who put no ba. William Pacho is the dog profile of the two center back pair of Paris Saint-Germain. Into your ball long nemawa, he comes aggressively into you and makes sure say one turning for ball and press it out of pressure. Whilst Abrante friend Marquinhos, the leader of the back line or commande. Then he comes to clear the line nicely for you. What we heard is that Bench friend Ashraf Hakimi is back in the team.
Yeah.
The two fullbacks of Paris Saint-Germain is simple because they have very good wingers that can tuck in the house spaces. No more with a natural number 10. No. Their wingers always want to cut in. Vicha Kvaratskhelia will cut in. Abentie friend Desire Doué will cut in. Now what they want is that they want the fullbacks to be those that keep the weight. On the left and on the right. Abentie friend Nuno Mendes and Abentie friend Ashraf Hakimi will stretch the pitch and make it as wide as possible. Whilst Vicha Kvaratskhelia will have those tiny house spaces to make and work his magic. Same for Abentie friend Desire Doué, and of course Abentie friend Ousmane Dembele arriving late in the box to attack the ball. But the strength of the Paris Saint-Germain team is this middle. Fabien Ruiz this season, because of his plenty, he hasn't played as much. But Vitinha was up there on the Ballon d'Or podium last season. Then you look at Abentie friend João Neves. For me, in Kofu we give a lot of credit to Abentie friend Vitinha. But his compared to the Portuguese João Neves, as brilliant as he is. Again, on the hard work is home. Or cover a lot of ground, or really draws, or Banechi Bejiboni ball. Technically, he's as good, and he makes things stick for the Paris Saint-Germain team. So it's a complete midfield. For Arsenal, it is not as expansive as you want it to be. And the typical 4-2-3-1 with a lot of focus on the fact that we don't have to rush the play. We stay in the game as long as possible. There are a lot of ways that you do game and you winning matches. Okay. Arsenal don't think that it's only from open play and essential match. It can be from a set play. They believe fully. Say in the set play, so opportunity never is open share. And you see, there has been a lot of conversation in Europe, especially in England. And I'm saying there is the emanation of a lot of set piece coaches, especially in England. Gabi Unim said in every division of England this season, the leader or winning league, so if in the division 1, division 2, championship to the Premier Division, Obi or winning league Nibiano was the highest person in terms of goals scored from set plays and corners.
Oh, okay.
Until the way Arsenal share the most goals from set plays or winning Premier League. When you go to the championship, Coventry did same. When you go to the division, the lower division, same. Obi Orini Biano scored most goals from set piece. So don't be surprised. There is that emphasis and focus. So what's here Ronald Koeman? Ronald Koeman say on himself Thomas Tuchel about World Cup no. Adie ba ko be super set piece and I won't be surprised. Nyame and when we get to the World Cup we'll talk about that. But I expect a lot of set piece play from teams like England in the World Cup. Arsenal are going to go with Julian Timber. Kabe no kre. Timber 100% fit. But I think that it is a risk worth taking. Because Arsenal backline, when you play Ben White here, Ben White is near the kind of center. See, the strength of Victor Kwadeskeli and saying yes, Victor Kwadeskeli and saying when who did he play against at Chelsea? At the right hand side, he didn't get Reese. Kobo Reese on Fiifi. But what Victor does to you is that immediately he receives the ball, he steps inside. Otibo now at Bayern, whether it was Conrad Lima or Stanisic, he made a mess of them. That is what Abrante friend Victor Kwadeskeli amount. If he wants the kind of center back, right back who can stay in those shadows and then go 1v1 with Victor Kwadeskeli and stop him, it's him. Gabi say Okona Koshe Bayern match nominate Arsenal, Paris Saint-Germain boy now. There were a lot of attackers on the field of play. But consistently over the 2 legs, 2 attackers stood out. Victor Kwadeskeli and Harry Kane. And Victor essentially was the most decisive of the lot. And in fact, for the quarterfinal, he has been that explosive. He is dangerous. And if Arsenal are going to go with Abrante and William Timber, I think I do agree. Arsenal's strength is their centre back, pair, goalkeeper, and Abrante Freno, Calafiori. When you get Gabriel, Abrante Freno, William Saliba, then in the middle you have Declan Rice. What I'm hearing is that Miles Lewis Kelly is going to be in this one as well. Martin Odegaard, Leandro Trossard, Abrante Freno, Saka, and Victor Gyökeres up top to lead the lines for Arsenal. It makes it very, very exciting for the two.
Kofi man kwanza jina ona and this game no say obi we ni a on say match obi wo a etumi go game we there a midfield battle and if says so midfield ekreke a bia wo betumi anya game no between omumi no midfield and say a lateral minimum the wingers no and betumi ama the other side maybe obi betumi awene.
I think that the strength of Paris Saint-Germain team, from both the midfield and then the width.
Okay, into a move too.
And near money dangerous ones, and this data will attest to the fact that when you look at this data, I'm sure on our screen, Paris Saint-Germain final effects that closest central areas. Now, Paris Saint-Germain born on defend there. This zone will be a yellow, green, yellow, hasino. Only a very dominant when they are defending.
Okay.
Inti, over cross the two on them, over two sides. They call it the funnel effect. It's very difficult for you to defend against that. But that is the strength of the Paris Saint-Germain attack when they go forward. What I'm trying to say is that because Ashraf Hakimi, Nuno Mendes, and they keep it with Paris Saint-Germain in the attacking, they are able to get Victor Kwadeskeli, they're able to get Ousmane Dembele, Eddie Desire Doué, occupying those central zones for you. So if you don't take care, then you have an issue over there in terms of dealing with them. But they have been brilliant in the final effect or Park in Fiifi. I think that the attack of Paris Saint-Germain is a strength. That is where they are the best in terms of strength or honor. But don't you think say and you see a funny player for player? Who can decide the game for the opponent? And we start from goalkeeper. When you take Sofonov and then you take David Raya, who do you think can decide the game for the other person? Say, compare Raya and Sofonov. One bit in your decided game, and they are the opponents. Obviously, you know that David Raya dominance with Chorum. In fact, in the Champions League this season, I think that he's the best goalkeeper. In fact, watch it. David Raya, most matches with the games with the most clean sheets. David Raya and the leader this season was Champions League game. Before that, there was James Lehmann and Abrante Freno, Keylor Navas in the run to the Champions League. That is what Arsenal have. Oko centre back area, I think that the back four of both teams are very dangerous to deal with in different things. Calafiori and the Timber are very good in terms of dealing with the game from a defensive point of view. Whilst Abrante Freno, Ashraf Hakimi, and Nuno Mendes are very good with dealing with the game when it comes to the attacking point of view. And I would say Bukayo Saka now, also we know that we can write history as players and winning it for the first time. So that already for us is a lot of motivation to get that done. The two centre backs, Saliba and our bench friend Gabriel Magalhaes will be very, very important for Arsenal. For Arsenal, when you look at their games on the Paris Saint-Germain bar, this is exactly how it looks like. Paris Saint-Germain winning 2 draws and 1 win for Arsenal. 6 goals scored across both of them now. This is the strength of our bench friend Victor Gyökeres. The ranks in behind. And that is where Mikacho said William Pacho will be very important for Paris Saint-Germain if they want to stop Arsenal. Arsenal born. Once the space comes, say Pacho Babe Shema, they would want to use a right here friend of Jokeresh to run in behind and attack the spaces in behind and then hits them in a very, very difficult game. That is the form guide.
Okay.
That is the analysis. Who wins tonight?
I know your big question.
I
know that maybe sound nafi.
XG more. Mama Midika, who won the baby? Because who are against?
I say, you see, no, as Arsenal for you say, surprise is no more pulling in.
As a police surprise.
I'm police surprise. I'm police surprise.
Say.
Oh, say league is any in himself congrove into me. Yeah, we are say baby I do the I call my Jerry. But me dear to me, me believing in PSG.
Okay.
Yeah, me believing in PSG. Me dear but PSG abo from last season in the Champions League, how more Champions League, you know. Me I believe in omo game no omo bonti na dear. I expect say be on be winning.
I don't know. Paris Saint-Germain have a good team, but almost your team are defensively sound. They would find it very difficult to beat them. Yeah, and
it'll be now Monaco here the edit in the group stages now.
But I'm going back to baby to say Chama Enzo Maresca chia Paris Saint-Germain. It was somewhere around this time last year when people questioned Enzo Maresca and said, "So you're good." You see, you need to set up the team defensively against Paris Saint-Germain, but then be willing to set traps for them.
Okay.
And I'll look at the game not just from the 4-2-3-1 point of view, but the intensity point of view. Who will win duels? And you ought to win duels. The duel winning ability of both teams has to be there. Paris Saint-Germain teams, they have been very dominant in winning of duels, but for the one that they came against Monaco, when they went away to sports, and I saw same, they couldn't win their duels as much. Against us now, they have the players to win the duels. Gabriel Magalhaes will win their duels. Saliba will win their duels. Whilst Victor Kvaratskhelia can be the difference maker, Ubo with team he wins those duels as well. It doesn't mean that 100% all team trainer and also team create chance against him. But then he will not make it as easy as Victor has gotten in recent times. On the other side, Ricardo Calafiori, he can play and win his duels too. When you go to central areas, when you talk of Declan Rice, when you talk of Zubimendi, and whoever plays as a 10, Udiga or whatever, these are players that win duels, especially for Declan. Which, Gabi, some Arsenal players, they work twice as hard as everybody. For me, this game comes down to that. The duel winning ability of the whole team. Paris Saint-Germain have the team. Pacho can win the duel. Marquinhos can win the duels. But I'm not quite too happy. Excited so to say Hakimi can go into duels consistently and win them. You will win it against Chelsea, who don't have a manager that forced them to do that. But Arsenal team, are too disciplined so much so that a man didn't say you will be able to win certain duels against them. That is the thing in that regard. One look at a brand here, Ashraf Hakimi, and then on the other side, check the other players. I think that Arsenal win their duels. They win it so well. The game was stretched. Chelsea Arsenal winning winning Champions League or London, but Arsenal are good. Money is on Arsenal, so meeting the final of the Champions League, and they are going to win it. And anyway, you do as you want. The way of a corner.
Okay. Abranted, but now so Nana may share Arsenal any sporting.
Yeah.
We give number because similar to the PSG Monaco boy, and me Arsenal we need duels if in cry no cramp na 0-0 so now Arsenal we need so if say we should go by the okay send the obe we need duels na be there me say Arsenal and e ma betimi akoye now ya brand ba ko ha na was it or surprise bi at the Fiifi Manfred and
efficacy for so see mom code
mami code na my boy na mrana fi Joshua Olutum fa
Champions League Norwegian League no be on na boys no first can keka bia bo first one a BW 595D AC9 second one a BW 595D 3808. Third one a BW 595 58C1E2. Fourth one BW 5958B6C4. Last one BW 5958AB15.
Okay. So blah betina se na me yan quick one na fi Joe Empire. Kofi men kwansa na me was surprise bi di ma. Na within the saying
so media ma for the to me ba for ewu asamo.
Ba for ewu asamo. Na surprise ben anopai.
Oh, anopai dey boko GFM dey. Nhyira sports dey no anamiti.
Okay.
Na me free chronom na eba.
Oh, okay.
Ba meti Nhyira sports na. So me say artist.
Okay.
Me studio chronom. Chronom se chewa bang enchewa.
Okay.
Ba me dun say esanse me tie Nhyira nti. E was say bana pennyfo mo Nhyira FM. Ombo me me at work no e kone ne kakra.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Matter say you was surprised before both Fayala and Fiifi Manfred. And is it test work na say we yard that bet who feel you na what draw mo kama.
Oh, me feel you omo de.
Who feel you omo. Okay. Enti e feeling intia.
Feeling e kan.
Mama hwe say Fiifi a. Obehwe wi na fi enye Fiifi a. Enya ayala dia ma fe na ka tense ne on twan answer. Mama hwe Fiifi de no. Kofi Maresca. Oh, okay. Wa na aye. Wa.
On the pencil.
Where sure. Sir. Ayi tilo man pencil na fa paper man no draw Mrs. Yena. Yenko yenim na. Oh, nice one. Okay, Kofi Fionum na ma Fiifi ankasa hwe na fe present na kama fa mame.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Nice pa.
Wow.
They were film news we see here they were messy packaging so no.
Nice.
Come up. Kofi we dey oh and we are there. We so we dey hair jacket small pieces ni bi no. Tilo bla na yinwi na yonkoi.
Dem is say we.
What's that?
No.
So say you be boy in answer. You can say SG no. Enti bra.
The head of sports the end
head of sports the end ho no Monday.
We keep na Monday or the
okay. Enti ayala de no Monday Sambra na fa ayala de no fa bra because on the na special.
Yeah. What's the name there? Smart pencil.
Oh he. Chronom.
I don't for radio. Kasa and voice.
What's all say kasa. Akwenya what's that to be kasa. But number is saying Kofi
059 1923045 059 1923045. Smart pencils, very good.
Oh, nice one.
So for me dey no.
Oya wo dey.
Yes, am call we no so me ti.
Wuti na nko so. En ne asumum dey. Mumu why ade pa. Hwe no wan ba ya la de no. Msero. Aha. Fa no ye ifa mame. Jose olotu ya na bra na